Hello traders, it's your one and only forex skill coach Team Legend, and I'm super excited having you all here today, as I have been getting quite a lot of requests on how to deposit money into your trading account using perfect money, and that is what I've got here today to teach you all. By the end of this video, you're going to learn how to deposit money into your Deriv account using perfect money. Before we get started, please, if this is your first time on my channel, you want to do me a little favor, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell also, so that you'll be the first person to get notified the moment Team Legend releases a new content, because here in this channel all we post are ways to win in the forex markets. Let's get started. So you want to go straight to deriv.com and input your credentials and click on login. Right, as you can see, I've got 0.0 USD, so I'll click on cashier. We'll click on deposits. On the deposit, we want to click on deposit via bank wire, credit card, and e-wallet. Now here you've got several options to deposit money into your account. Now we want to click on perfect money. It says please do not share perfect money account with another client, as this may cause delay in your withdrawal. So it says, so I want to deposit $40. Please click button to continue with your transaction. Your transaction will open in a new window. We'll click on continue. Now it is taking me to perfect money, and what I need to do is to log into my perfect money account in order for me to be able to deposit, right? So let's continue. On the perfect money, we click on make payment. So over here, what I want to do is to log in my perfect money credential and log in, right? As you can see, it says deposit to account, which is what my CR account. So I want to log into my perfect money now. Turning number 1318518. Preview payments. Now a code has just been sent to me in order for me to verify that I'm the one trying to log into my account. So I'll put the code in and continue. Now it says payment preview, my full name, and I'm trying to deposit money into my trading account. The payment fee 1.99%, and then authorize it. And congrats, we have successfully deposited the sum of $40 into our trading account. So in this simple way, you can use perfect money to deposit money into your Deriv accounts. Please make sure to like and just don't forget to subscribe, because I'll be releasing even more better and wonderful awesome contents in this channel. As you can see clearly, success. So let us go and check our Deriv account and see if it is reflecting or not. And as you can see clearly, we have $40. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did so, smash the like button, and I'll see you on the next video. Stay safe and keep winning.